Doing some fine detailing on the model truck build. Stay tuned. Welcome back, FranknCarrie's Homestead. Before we get started, I want to thank Old Camp Ranch. He mentioned this in his video. Thanks for anybody that's came over from his channel and subscribed to ours. I'll put a link to him right over here. Also, I want to thank WB Modeling. I think that's what it is. And I'll put a link right up there. But watch our video first, then you can go back to them. I've been working on the model. Paint job turned out fantastic on the cab we did on the last video. Got the seat area primered. Been working on the guns right here. It goes in the back window. Working on the dash. Now on the engine, these right here sticking out, nice blue wires. That's going to be the spark plugs. What you use is a little finger drill with a small bit. Where your distributor cap is, you just drill down through it, or if it's on the front you drill into it. Then you take these wires, and they're really fine, and you stick them down in there and then glue them in. Okay? I leave mine kind of long, so that way I can get them to where I need to, bands, whatever. And then same way down here, is you'll drill your 4 holes or how many ever spark plugs are supposed to be in your engine, and you'll fit the wires down and around where they're supposed to go. So that's what I've been up to so far. And also, let me grab it here, hoping you can see this. Bring that up there. Hopefully it'll focus in there. Anyway, got floor mats. It has Taz on them. There's a little radio. It's right down there. And I got some gauges that's right down there. And if you remember, I showed you on the one video how to do it. And you spray it down with a seal coat and let it dry. And that's what I've been up to on the model. Just putting little parts together. Been working on the engine, the guns, working on the interior. Once I get everything done, then we'll start building it, putting it together. So another tip, a little tip for you, go to your hobby store or wherever and pick up these skinny sticks. And they come in a bag of 100, I think. Yeah, bag of 100. They're just little teeny craft and wood sticks is all they are. Then go to your automotive store, go back into their body work area, and you will find your sandpaper, 600 grit, 1000 grit. I think they go up to 3000 grit sandpaper. And then I just take it and I cut it, put put on the stick. So that way I can do real fine sanding in area tight spaces, real narrow spaces, that kind of stuff. And then I just write down on them what grit they are. This one's a 600. Same way with this one. This one's 1,000. And then when you get done with them, you just toss them. I mean, the sticks, they ain't all that much. They're like $1.50 for a bag of 100. The sandpaper, I mean, it's, you know, I think it was like $6, right around $6 for 5 sheets of each, but it works really well. I use it on the cab. I'm waiting for a couple orders to get here with some stuff that I'm going to use on the pickup and that. So anyway, that's what I've been up to, and I hope you all had a very good Thanksgiving. I just kind of rested all day and that. So remember, smile today, smile tomorrow. You're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's them suggested videos. Thanks. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.